Hey, Troy from National Transmission here. Did you know the average vehicle has 10 to 30 computers in it? These computers control almost everything on our vehicle. Auto manufacturers have been releasing software and firmware updates on your vehicle for years. A lot of times you'd never know that they're there unless you had a problem or an issue. In the last 10 years, vehicles have started being able to connect to the internet and send notifications similar to our phones. Not all vehicles can, so a lot of times when we rebuild your transmission or you come in with an intermittent issue, we suggest checking to see if there are any updates to ensure the vehicle is working properly. Now, due to some security protocols, not all manufacturers will allow us to access their proprietary software, but most manufacturers allow us access through subscription-based portals, allowing us to perform this operation for you. Ultimately, keeping your vehicle software up to date can improve fuel economy and diminish engine and transmission performance issues, correct known bugs, as well as fix and prevent unforeseen issues and safety risks.